right, ADV hooligans, here we go. We are leaving the campsite this morning. We've had a great time hanging out with the grump, and we had some misfortunes last night, unfortunately. Late night last night, about 9 o'clock, Timmy was bitten by a snake, and we had to do an emergency rush to the hospital to catch EMS. It's pretty crazy. So now this morning, me and Greg are leaving, and we've got this very challenging road ahead. Yep, right through there, gentlemen. Let's go off-road. Lord be with us today. No, I'll let you go up. Here we go. Always an adventure. And this road here is gnarly coming into this campsite. It's a little shoot off. It goes down to the river, but to get there, the road is about washed out. A bunch of deep ruts. And actually going up was better last night. Now, yesterday I did this twice, no problem. Today, we having fun yet? It's always an adventure, baby. Always an adventure. I think the easiest thing to do is just back down this and go back at it. Sometimes you need a little help from a friend. Sorry, dude, I hit this and got down in it. So, I think there's a rock behind my wheel. I was just gonna back down and go at it again. Try to get up on here. I was going to, what do you think? You wanna try to push me up? Yeah, I didn't think so. That's the best thing. Hang on, let me so I can see. What's it? I think it's in first. Yep. Yeah. All right. You all right? Oh, well, when did I hit that wood? Yeah, there's no getting up. Now we're going back. Gotta love Greg helping me out there. That's some soup right there. But that's what it takes, guys. Just one small, minute, wrong line. And it pushes you into a rut, as most of you know. If you ride, you know. But that was a gnarly road. Glad you got to see my struggles, not knowing that I came up and down that road twice, and came down at midnight last night. Oh, did I tell you it was pouring the rain? Yeah. So, we are finishing up our day, hammering the shit out of it, as Timmy would say. Till next time. Peace.
Measuring it, poking new stuff, taking blood. I'm tired.
Yeah, we got in the tent back about. So I laid down in my tent about 1:15.
Really?
It poured the whole day. We had to go. I rode up through there at 40 miles an hour, dude.
Dude, we got up the road. And I thought I saw, like, water on the road, and I was like, no, it's not. And then I saw water coming off his back tire, and I was like, oh, and then it just started a little bit. We got gas, and once we left there, they started hammering the shit out of us.
It was pouring the whole way up through there. And
Yeah.
I was like doing 40 because the shield was covered, it's dark. I had my bright line on, but I was like doing like 40 miles an hour. Got on the gravel, same thing.
This is what we want to talk about there, I guess.
This is what adventure is about, man. I mean, it don't always go peaches and cream. I mean,
if it did, it wouldn't.
And that's why
we talk about it all the time, though. If we just followed every rule we say about snakes, it wouldn't happen.
I had no idea you guys had all these rules about these snakes. And he's telling me about it. I was like, bro, you never filled me in on any of these rules.
I told you when we was digging for wood and smoking about 500, I said, y'all be careful about where you put your hand.
Well, I'm very cautious of it all the time.
Right now, it's like early season, so they're out.
If it's so far out, we don't want this to happen for sure. We might have been worse when we couldn't have got back.
Okay. If it had been pouring when we left.
It would have been messed up.
If it had been pouring when we left.
That'd have been messed up.
Or you got out of tent and peed middle of the night when everybody.
But let me just say this: I think every one of us made good decisions and got the fuck out of there.
Yeah.
I mean that
If not,
So-
I mean, it probably could have come and got me, but I had to pay that.
All right, welcome back, ADV hooligans. We are leaving the Seneca Hospital after going to visit Timmy. Last night, Timmy was bitten by a copperhead while we were down at the river, and we had to rush him out around 9 o'clock last night. Brought him to the emergency room. We didn't know whether it was really the type of snake. And after he was at the emergency room for a while, we decided that we were going to go back to camp, and he was good and safe and feeling better. So this morning when we come to get him, he had been admitted, and they had realized that it was a little bit worse than they thought, and they give him 5 vials of antivenom. So, just got a good meeting with him. He seems like he's in good spirits, while his leg and foot was definitely impacted and swollen. I'm sure he'll be back at it within 30 or so days. I feel for him. But, you know, I think we did the right thing. As soon as we recognized it, we didn't know whether it was poisonous or not. We jetted down the mountain, which was almost 30 minutes down off the mountain. And we got him to safety by taking him to Family Dollar or General Dollar, whatever it's called, Dollar, and meeting the EMS there. Once we met the EMS, he didn't want to take that, and when he toughed it out, made it to the hospital, and they admitted him. So, crazy night last night, because once we left this hospital, it poured the rain on us. We got back to our campsite, and it was totally wrecked by wind and rain. So we've had a hell of a night. Luckily, although I don't believe in luck, so thankfully everything worked out okay. I got some 4 or 5 hours of sleep. Now I'm back at it. I don't think I'm going to take the Scar today home. I think I'm just going to take some back roads. I'd like to make decent time and not spend all day out here. I want to get home. Haven't had a shower since Friday morning, and it's Sunday morning. So I'm feeling a little slimy. But anyhow, that's what happens. You never know what adventure you're going to go on or be on when you're out on your motorcycle. So always watch for snakes, people. They're out there. This is living proof. And until next time, I'll see you on the trails. Peace.